all of us. Namaste once again. It was not audible, now it is audible to you. The message, it has come before me. Can you give the message my voice is audible? Yes. Yes, call was from Kanwardeep Sharma ji, a great packaging professional from Haryana, Kurukshetra. Well, once again, I greet you all. I'm BK Karna from first batch. And you see, it happens. I would like to tell you that why am I meeting you today? I would like to express that I am okay. I expect you all are okay. Healthy, wealthy, and cheers. We, the packaging professional, our journey started in 1985. IIP, an organization under Ministry of Commerce, autonomous, started postgraduate program in 1985. I belong to the first batch. Feeling happy, and thereafter, I have dedicated my prime time with IIP, 27 years. A lot of journey from Mumbai to Delhi to Kolkata, Kolkata to Hyderabad, and privileged to have the IIP Hyderabad Center in a good condition. Then I realized at the age of 50 that why not I should serve the country. The 50, I have the enthusiasm, and after the retirement, enthusiasm will be less. So why not I should have my own institute, Packaging Clinic and Research Institute. But I realized that the social media is coming in very vibrant. In 2009, Facebook, I started this packaging club in Facebook and LinkedIn. And it was given me a sixth sense that the era it is coming for the completely social media. The virtual online program, all together started in 2009, our club. Only to have the networking. You see, dear friends, our life is completely dedicated on the packaging. Every breath we take, we feel it is a packaging. Morning to late evening, it is the packaging. We have the paper, plastics, metal, glass, jute, wood, cloth, everything we have. And every moment, the packaging, packaging, packaging. COVID-19, the serious situations. But you can see the packaging professionals have contributed a lot. Through what? Whether the food, pharma, cosmetics, in any area, even vaccine has come. How vaccine has come? It is because of the packaging only. Validation has happened, it is the packaging only. Well, dear friends, when every day is dedicated with some profession, every day is dedicated. Today, it is water day. Tomorrow will be some other day. And in that, you will find that we have got Father Day, Mother Day, Lovers Day, many days. Food professional, they have the October 16. We have Environment Day, June 5. What is our day? That is the packaging day. That was the question. It was in the year of 2008 and 9 and 6 onwards. When IIP Hyderabad 24th March, it got inaugurated, and the committee, they told that, when is our packaging day? When is our birthday? So always organizing packaging day, it came in our mind that whether World Packaging Day it is available or not. We have written to every organizations, even UNO also, we get no reply because we don't have the status like this to have this. But our committee, S.S. Raju Saab is no more now, but he told me that why not we should have the committee, the Plastic Association of Andhra Pradesh, Corrugated Association, that time FAPSI, Federation of Andhra Pradesh, Chamber of Commerce, and in that glass associations, academicians, universities, professionals, students, all together, we decided in 2012 to organize World Packaging Day. And I was the president of IAP Alumni. It is the thought of IAP Alumni. That time, I was holding the post of only a president. And it was agreed by everyone. Since then, since 2012, because that it was inaugurated by Cabinet Minister of State Government here, Andhra Pradesh. Director IAP was also available. You can see the video footage, his statement, everything. Fortunately, the present global ambassador of WPO was also there. You might be that the message before him that he is also the fund means member. Anyway, I'm not saying the name of everyone, it depends. Why I have come to brief you that I have the platform now of the 55,000 members. Collectively, we are working for the only packaging, nothing else. The packaging professions. Always we are working on the packaging professions. So this packaging club has got the business through the packaging professions. In that, we have got more than 55,000 members from 170 to 80 countries. Every day, we receive 300 posts, more than 300 posts, mostly from Chinese. Our friends from China, they post that means 60% they used to post it. I have given them many chances that don't give the repeat post. In packaging club, we only allow English. Other regional language, no, because the people will not be aware of this. No repeated post. If repeated post will be there, do it after 1 week or 15 days, not every day. These are the guidelines one has to follow. This is indeed a very disciplined group. And in that, there is a discussion. We have always started encouraging to have the job. So we have some HR agency giving the post for the job every day. Machinery development, wherever it has happened, it is coming. Some exhibitors are also giving there. So all together, every day, every moment, some post it is being done. So every morning, I am giving the clearance of all posts. I go through the all post, see the merit of that post, then we give, otherwise we delete that post. If it is being delayed, please inform me. Every time I am putting my number, you can also message me that the post it is being delayed. I will immediately. We are enhancing our activities more. We have started the series for the talk show now. 9th speaker experts, they have come, and we will accelerate that activities more now. That is the always the interaction show, talk show. This was our first agenda. And that first agenda, if there will be any question, let me know. We will be happy to share with you. My next agenda is the World Packaging Day. As I have briefed you completely, that the first time World Packaging Day started in 2012 with the collective effort of government. Andhra Pradesh minister was available, FAPSI, then the Plastic Association of Andhra Pradesh, Corrugated, Flexible Packaging Associations, then the Government Polytechnic Miss College Ramantapur, IIP students of 27th batch, completely PG our students. All collective effort, and IIP alumni has taken the lead. Entire India. That time, 17 countries have also participated in that, in their own locations. You can ask several questions, and I will be giving you that answer quite frequently to you all. I know that live presence is less, but post live will be more. As per our record, we see that it is coming. Let us have this evolution of World Packaging Day through the screen I am showing you. You can visit our website, and there you can find it, that how it is connected with this. You can have this kind of the informations, and there you can, I will share you some of the area that look, this will give you some indications of my group, what it is there. And then you can see that I have seen Vinay Kumar and Hari Narayan Patel has given this photograph. You can see here, if it is visible, you can see that Minister and Mr. Avinash Kumar Talwar, head of the supply chain, head in Dr. Reddy's, and gold medalist in the packaging profession distance learning program, and in that he has done the excellent and giving greeting to the minister. You can see that he is from the glass industry, SS Raju Garu, that time the director IIP. All these it is available in 2012. You can see here that our alumni is giving his greeting to the FAPSI president, Mr. Rao. He is there, and minister is here. You can see that. IIP alumni member, Mr. Binay Singh, he is with the Dr. Reddy right now. You can see myself, and you can see SS Raju, then director IIP is here, and you can see minister, then Himadri Sahab, it is there. Cheerful mood that we are making history. History it is being made. So that kind of the photograph, it is there. Indeed, it's very, very emotional, and that is the historical moment that India has laid the foundation. Now you can see here that all you can holding, all professionals, only packaging professionals are here, and the celebration was on. That is the moment. Here you can see here other side of this, and you can get it all locations here. Now we did that Necklace Road. If you happen to Hyderabad, please visit, and everybody was holding this kind of the poster. Packaging is the silent marketing sales person. So like that, so many slogans it is there. Here, this person is Hari Narayan Patel. Now he is the General Secretary of IIP Alumni Association. And in that you can see all of them are our students. You can see that myself and with Hari and our students, Divya Singh and other students are also here. That the more than 500 professionals we have visited that day. Now you can see here, this person is the global ambassador of WPO, Chakravarti ABPS. He was available on this. Then the director IIP, SS Raju Garu. You can see this personality, Mr. Anil Reddy Garu, president of Andhra Pradesh Plastic Associations. He was there. And then he is Mr. Shankar Patel. And here you can see Mr. Natraj, and there's Dr. Here the Hari Narayan Patel, and a student of, he is the principal of a government Polytechnic where the packaging it is being done. Nowadays he's principal now. You can see this photograph of all our students. It is there for 27th batch, and all of them are very highest post they have gained, and they are the very good professionals. Once I see all of them, and you can see me here at this very last in that we were last moment of this group. These are the informations. You can see this how it was looking alike, completely dedicated. This day is dedicated for the packaging professionals. Now this is the photographs I wanted to bring under your attention. You can see that thereafter some of the photographs also here. You can see this kind of the photographs is giving the memory that the dedication here. Mr. Ainan Sahedi, you can see the gateway of India, India Gate, New Delhi. India Gate, New Delhi, all of their celebrating World Packaging Day. Here is the press meet at FEPSIA going on, and you can see here this man, Sandeep Goyal. He is an architect of the Packaging Connection man, and he is also celebrating World Packaging Day. Followed by every year we have been organizing with this support. Here it is being organized, DK Jha. You can see here in this Anil Reddy, then the principal and all professionals. You can see here that is our friend from Saudi Arabia. He is also here, and all he has sponsored also some of the occasion. We were also organizing in Osmania University food department. So every locations, every support it is there. Then again at PCRI, and in that Sri Sood Garu is there always. And in that our student in 2017, and in that with our students we have been organizing this day every year now. Last year you can see that we could not celebrate. I did. Due to Corona, it was locked on the same day. Curfew was there after Janta curfew. That is the same moment. 22nd March was Janta curfew last year, and in that 24th was the announcement, the curfew due to the COVID Corona situation. All these things it has happened. I will appeal you to visit our website. Go through this. You can see this, some clipping of this video also. You can see here. That will give you the concept that how it has been. You can see this. You can see our PG students all. Now, such kind of the informations on March 24, it is there. I have come here to appeal you all is that look, all photographs we have shown you. Why I have come here that the day after tomorrow, we have 24th March. We will have to dedicate this day completely for the packaging profession. People will ask you, they're asking why 24th March? You see that packaging is 24 hours. That is very clear. We, the packaging professionals, and the packaging is giving the services 24 hours to all products, giving the life to the product. It is acting like as a security guard of the product. It is keeping the friendly relation of the product. The first impression of the consumer is the packaging. Last operation of the product is the packaging. So 24 hours packaging is in action. That is March. So that World Packaging Day, March 24, there won't be any other day suitable. Only one day, that is 24th March. No other day is suitable for this. I will appeal you, 10th edition, regularly, continuously, wherever you are in the country. You may be from Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, China, Indonesia, wherever you are. Please dedicate this day, keeping Corona guideline in mind. The local guideline, whatever you have, but you follow that. Inspire others to follow the Corona guideline. Social distancing is essential. Mask is essential wherever you are in the public. And then please celebrate in your own way and give the post, photograph, get a cake right on the World Packaging Day, get a clip and post. In Packaging Club, we are not going to approve other than World Packaging Day on March 24. Every post should be related with the World Packaging Day. It is my humble request. I'm submitting the request to all auspicious members. Please, it is there and we can have. So my submission is very clear. Now, what PCRI would be doing? Packaging Club at this platform, again we will come, but I will not come alone. I will come with my students, my professional friends. I will come with my students from the 5th batch PGDP, postgraduate distance learning program, online program students. There will be the student of 16, 17 students will be having the 3 groups. The program will start at 5 o'clock. Every group will be allotted 30 minutes each, and they will have to make the presentation. The topic is very clear. Role of packaging professionals. Role of packaging professionals for an organization, for the society, and for the environment. So 3 groups will be speaking. Role of packaging professionals. I invite you all that please join on live, ask the questions, whatever it is there, and I'm inviting you all the Packaging Club members, especially my dear friend from China, listen carefully. Only posting is not sufficient. Social activities also one of the area. You can only post, that is not correct. And in this platform is international platform. So international socio relation is always essential. You will have to also give and support the activities of PCR, means the PCRI and Packaging Club. Here, that our students from the 5th batch will be speaking about role of packaging professionals for an organization, A group. B group will be speaking on the society, role of packaging professionals, and C group will be speaking of the role of packaging for the environment. Very interesting information, and that will be dedication to this day. And it will be online program. So I do hope that you will associate. My submission is there. I will see some of the questions. I'll take part on the questions. I see that my dear friends, Mr. Dhirendra Kumar Jha from Nigeria, from Lagos, he has come to Hyderabad. Oh, he has held a very useful forum, Packaging Club. It helps in the recruitment. Oh, recruitment has happened. Thank you. Your organization and you too, Mr. D.K. Jha, that you have selected a student from the packaging club. That's great. Now I see that there are no question. One question from the Vishnuvardhan Joshi. Vishnuvardhan Joshi is writing that please suggest a simple hand-held pharma code reader and braille reader for the packaging printed, sir. Yes, we will give you this information sure in our day on the World Packaging Day. One of our group will be speaking on this day, that is for the society. Under this society, role of packaging professionals for the society, they have also captured this information in the society. What in the braille reader, how can we do? What are the areas? What are the printers that is available? So very interesting, that information you are going to have this. So this is the information I will suggest you that can be taken place on this. I do feel that some any other questions it is there, let me know. Any other questions it is, I don't find any other questions. If it will be questions, sure it will be given to you. So Vishnuvardhan Joshi ji, please wait on 24th March during the presentation of one of our group. They are going to cover very interesting information to you. Any other? If it is no, then I will express my thanks to you. That is there. One of the area it is there, circular economy. Circular economy, yes, our group C, headed by Mr. Amit Prakash, is going to cover about the circular economy. I find my student Wasim Naseem Khan from Saudi Arabia. He is also watching. So Wasim, you should also celebrate your day. Kanwardeep ji, the packaging teacher from Haryana, he writes that, good evening, sir. Please share the link at your Facebook page to join lectures by your students on World Packaging Day. Yes, Sarmaji, that will be on live like this. That is it will be on Zoom, and in this Zoom it is only for the students. They will share, and it will be on live. It will be taken, so you can say to your students from your university, you are a packaging teacher, excellent teacher, a professor, and I will also request you that you must share your celebration, and link will be shared to you, the packaging club member. It will be there with this. So I do not find much more question here after now. If it is there, let me know. You can consult again. I summarize our meeting right now. The agenda first was the activities of a packaging club. Packaging club activities are going very smoothly, and in that smoothly that we it is very disciplined group, and we are not allowing any other post other than the packaging. Only the packaging should be there. It is our only flavor. Whether the packaging machinery, materials, innovations, or job, HR promotions, all these informations will be there, and in that it can be posted well. Discussion also always be there, and we have the talk show will be continued. Every time we will be having the talk show. I was busy with some other organizations, and I can see that some more members have been joining. Kanwardeep Sharma ji has written once again that please share the timing in advance. I just say you that timing is at World Packaging Day, 24th March. It is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Indian time. Indian time, 5 p.m. it will be there. So thank you very much for your support. And we are going to see you on World Packaging Day with my students, and happy packaging. And keep yourself away from the social gathering. Social distancing should be there. So thank you very much, all these. And I'm just concluding, and have a nice time. Looking forward for the nice. Thank you very much. Thank you all.